What's going on YouTube? Brandon Lechuga here. Welcome to 303 Streets. I'm going to show you really fast how to take off a door on your Dodge Nitro. This is for the front and the back. Pretty much the same way. So yeah, they're identical. So if you're going to take it off, I'm right after what to do. You're going to need a star bit. As you can see, I don't think it says what size it is. You're going to need a star bit and a flathead. So you need the flathead to pry open these tabs. There's one right here. This one you can see is missing a screw, and there's one down here in your door. So you just pop that up. Here's what it looks like. 1 second. It's dusty from putting in the new speaker, so I'm going to do a video on that after this one. But you can see here's the plastic piece. This is what you're trying to get up, and there's the start bit. So what you're going to do is pop off that plastic piece, pop off this plastic piece, and as you saw, it was on this back door, so that's what you're looking for. Then pop that off, pry up your controls right here, pry them up, unplug both of them on the bottom. So just a pull on the bottom, push the tab in. You see, it's hard to do it without two hands. Right there, right there. So that's how you do that. Take that off. You're gonna want to pop this out. Very easy to pop out. Stick the flathead in on this side. Pull it out. You will need a 10mm socket for in here, but I don't because I don't have a washer. So I'm gonna put a washer on that when I take this off. And then you will remove the star bits. So this is not the right size. This was the right size for the other one. Let me grab another star bit. As you can see, that door panel is off, and that goes for the next video. I think it's this one. Let's try the star bit. It was weird. The star bits were different on each side. Yep, there you go. This one's way thicker than the stock star bits that I had. This is what the stock ones looked like. Right here. So, there was 2 of them on that door. That's all you need. Don't worry about any of this stuff. This is for my speaker. So yeah, once you get those out, you should just have to loosen it. I have to set you down for a second. Here we go. So you'll just loosen it up here. Get the hooks undone. There are tabs in here that are holding these down. And then pry up. And it comes right off. Like that. So I'll show you. There you go. As you can see, I ran a custom speaker. So yeah, that's pretty much it though. Then you can see you can replace your speaker. There's the motor for your window, really easy to replace. If you need to get back to the glass, you're gonna bolt all these. So if you're gonna tint the windows and you're gonna do it the right way, you're gonna want to take this off, roll your window down, get it off the track completely, and take the glass out and tint it. But that'll be another video. So this was just how to show you how to take off the door panel, and then if you want to put it back on. Sorry for the video. This is probably not that good of a view. Just stick it in and pop it back on. Oh, there you go. Fingers in the way. There we go. And the reason why it's not clipping, I'll show you really fast. It's because I have my wires right there, but that's the only reason why. Everything else would just clip right in, but make sure you run your wires back through, pull them out, because that's what's stopping it from going on. I guess I'll just do it the right way really fast. This is a quick, short little video anyway, so run the wires back through. It's hard if you have small, or it's easier if you have small fingers. I do not. So. There we go. There we go. Just make sure when you do that, you're getting this on. And it hooks over, as you can see. It's on there. Really simple, really easy. Let me just make sure my speakers work now, because I hope I didn't mess them up by fiddling with it. Yep, there you go. Now I'm going to show, if you want to check out one of my other videos, I can show you how to put these on. These are great because they're adjustable. You can point them whichever direction you want. They work pretty good. They're just tweeters. But yeah, that's that video. And again, if you want to learn how to put those in, that's going to be my next video. I'm going to show you how to take off the door and what exactly I did. But here's the startup. So thanks for watching 303 Streets. I hope you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe, leave an